Let's make a simple easy breakfast recipe ideal for kids tiffin box. Crispy Sooji dosa made instantly. Let's begin the recipe. Take 1 cup of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can grind rice in the mixer grinder and make a flour out of it. Also add to it 1 cup of Sooji, Semolina. You can use any kind of a Sooji here. We also added half cup refined flour, maida, half a teaspoon of cumin seed, zira, half teaspoon or as per your taste salt, half teaspoon of green chili paste or as per your own taste. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander chopped or 1 teaspoon of coriander chutney. With your hands cut into small pieces 5 to 7 curry leaves like this and then add. Now after this, gradually adding water to it, we will make a smooth lump-free paste out of it. You can use anything, whisk or a spoon or a fork for this. After this gets into a smooth lump-free paste, we will add more water to it. Actually, we need to make a very thin watery batter. If your batter is thin, your dosa will become more crispy. Total we added here about 4 cups of water. Next we will add here 2 finely chopped onions. You can add or skip onions or you can add any other finely chopped vegetables of your choice. We will now keep this covered for about 15 minutes to let semolina Sooji absorb some water. After 15 minutes, you will see the batter has become little more thicker. So we need to add some more water to it, about a cup. If you remember, we first added 4 cups of water and now 1 cup more. So total we added here about 5 cups of water to make this batter. Now this batter is perfectly ready. You can check the consistency. It's so thin. We had already kept a non-stick tawa to heat. It's hot now. Keeping heat over a medium, spread the batter, filling the gaps. First start with the edges and then come to the center. If your batter is thick, you won't get this net effect in your dosa. This almost looks like a rice chilla or a rice dosa. We will cook this over a medium heat. After 1 to 2 minutes, you will see that it gets somewhat dry over the top, and then at this point, we will brush some oil. You can spread the oil even with a spoon. About a teaspoon of oil will be enough. Also apply oil all over the edges. It will take about 5 to 6 minutes to make the dosa. And if you see that the dosa has started leaving the sides and is getting golden brownish beneath like this, then it's ready. Serve this instant Sooji dosa either with a tomato chutney or a coconut chutney when it's still hot, because after it cools down it becomes a little bit soft. Hope you like this Sooji dosa recipe. Do try it out and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again. Bye bye.